Meaning of average. Average can be used as a noun, adjective, or verb. It refers to the typical amount, level, or standard, usually calculated by adding several numbers and dividing by how many there are. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. He scored an average of 85% in his exams. 2. The average temperature this week is 30 degrees Celsius. 3. My internet speed is below average today. 4. She is an average student but very hardworking. 5. What's the average price of a new phone? 6. We get an average of 5 calls per hour. 7. His performance was just average. 8. They averaged 10,000 steps per day. 9. That movie was average. Not great, not bad. 10. The store averages 200 customers a day.